Ladies and gentlemen, Pasquale is here from Repalo, the best rebuild workshop for demolition quality tools. Today, for you, only for you, watching Repalo YouTube official channel, don't buy this rammer. Yes, this is probably the ugliest rammer breaker built from the Finnish company. But honestly, for me, this breaker is full of interesting points that deserves to be deeply watched. So, before everything, this is the first breaker without tie rods. Yes, this is 1,400 kilo breaker with no tie rods. Second, is built with some technical features. One of these is the regulation for the piston stroke, slow or fast, and this of course affects the energy of the blow. Second, is equipped with a particular valves which allow the operator to preheat the breaker and so preserve and prevent damage at the hydraulics of the breaker. Third and last, this breaker is also capable itself to adapt the power of the inlet oil pressure. So there is a valve, a relief valve, which will prevent eventually overflow.
Some tips from the workshop. First, this breaker, you can assemble this breaker not from the top but from the bottom. Okay, you see that strange bottom area? Yes, exactly. This works to move rocks also, of course, but what is interesting is that in that strange shape of the bottom area of this breaker is installed for the first time a professional water jet built by the factory. Because as I told you, remember, this breaker has been projected for tunneling. Also very nice is the shape of the housing. In this housing there is already a proper space for the automatic lubrication system, Repalo 2.
Very important, this unit is all original inside. As you can see, this is a Repalo golden plate number 4. This label stands for all original, genuine from the manufacturer. Everything is genuine inside, golden plate. Brave people deserves appreciation. And that's why I decided to go ahead with rebuilding this ugliest, worst rammer breaker. Because for me, this is the avant-garde. I think they deserve more. This is a brave breaker and need a brave owner. So, if you are logic people, if you are, you know, strict view, don't buy this rammer. But if you mean to go ahead, to give a stroke, to break everything, of course rocks, buy this rammer. Thank you very much for watching Repalo. And subscribe our channel, keep following me, because for us, your support is very important. Don't give up.